Well, this is our inaugural Grill Wars, and it's exciting because there are kids from all walks of life working together from every single type of club, every single type of athletics. They're here participating in Grill Wars. It's exciting because it's a different way for kids to collaborate, learn about each other, learn about something that brings us all together, which is food.
Grill Wars is a barbecue competition for the kids. They're gathering students from across the district, from McAllen High, Memorial, and from Rowe, competing against one another, just whoever wins the barbecue competition. It's great to be involved with the community and with student engagement, just watch them grow and have them fulfill their dreams in every aspect they want to commit to. I gave back by sponsoring. I love McAllen. It's a great district, and I love giving back to my community.
This event shows the kids that there's more than just STEM activities. Yes, there's science, technology, engineering, math, but there's also the art portion, and the art that we're indulging in today is the kitchen. And yes, it's an outdoor activity, it's barbecue, but it's still an art. These kids are still creative and doing so many great things.